Now, this first video I want to cover the subject select tool. Well, it doesn't say tool, but I'm just going to call it subject select tool. Now, it's not in the toolbar for some bizarre reason, but if you go onto this item, which is the quick selection tool, it pops up here, right next to the mask and select, which you'll also be frequently using, but it sits there. The other way to find it is to go into the select folder and go down to where it says subjects and click on that. Now, to use this tool, very simple, very easy. Just make sure your layer you want to use is selected, which my one is here. Then go up to the select folder up here, and go down to the subject button and click on it, and it does it. Now, bear in mind, this is a very quick and very easy tool to use. Unfortunately, it's not very accurate. So you're still probably going to need to use or learn how to use the more complicated, more time-consuming, but more accurate tools to finish off. Now, as you can see, my subject here has this very nice load of marching ants nicely around him, and it works quite well, even though he's black on black. However, as I zoom in, you'll probably see, if you can see actually, that the hair isn't really well selected around here. If you can see where my mouse is, you probably can't make it out. But if you were to move him out and then put him on, say, I don't know, a white background. Actually, let's do that. Let's copy him out and put him onto a white background. So let's just put a... you don't have to... I'll hit the right button in a minute. There we go. No, that's not the right button. The thing about Photoshop is there's just too many things to learn. Even if you know what you're doing, you still end up... doing... Where are you? Solid color, that's the one. And make it white. No, not red. White. Go white. Ah, there we go, it's gone white. Now, if I put behind that subject, what you can suddenly see is it hasn't selected him very well around the hair. Having said that, the rest of him is quite nicely selected. Now, you probably use, I don't know, the quick selection tool. Yes, I know, I don't know the names very well, I just use them. I mean, if you've ever used Photoshop, unless you're trying to work with someone else, you don't need the names, you just need to know what they do and what the symbol is, and just get on with it. So yeah, there's the subject selection tool, and I will probably cover the other 3 of them, and then I'll cover the quick selection tool, which is probably the most used selection tool, but it is vastly more time consuming than these 4, hence why I'm going to cover it afterwards. So well, thank you for listening, and have a nice day.